now that it is basically a long-range strike. Is the howitzer still useful in modern warfare? Haha, today Brother Zhong will take stock. In fact, howitzers still have important uses and have not been eliminated. As the core equipment of suppressing fire, they play an irreplaceable role in scenarios such as long-range fire support, positional warfare, and urban space. Next, let's talk about the modern value of howitzers. First, the long-range suppressing ability is outstanding. Modern howitzers can have a range of 30-70 kilometers, and some city-increasing shells are farther away. They can continuously cover the enemy's deep targets and suppress key targets such as enemy, artillery command posts, and logistics nodes. They are an important pillar of the fire warfare system. Second, strong fire continuity, compared with the surface coverage of the rocket launcher and the point strike of the missile. The howitzer has the ability to continuously fire, which can maintain the suppression of fire for a long time. But it is relatively convenient to replenish, and the combat cost is controllable. Third, multi-mission adaptability, which can attack the target of the mountain, the anti-slope, and the rear cover. It can fire high-explosive shells, armor-piercing shells, submunitions, giant island shells, glutinous rice shells, etc., to deal with different targets. Modern self-propelled howitzers have the ability to quickly react when they hit and run. Fourth, systematic combat needs. In the fire system of the synthetic brigade group army, the howitzer forms a batch, configuration of fire with rocket, launchers, and tactical missiles, and undertakes the task of medium and long-range suppression. It is an indispensable part of joint operations. In addition to its technological upgrades, it did not weaken its position. Instead, it improved its combat effectiveness through digitalization, automation, and precision guidance. For example, these include, first, a digital fire control system to shorten reaction time and improve hit accuracy. Second, modular traditional Chinese medicine with more flexible range and trajectory. Third, precision-guided artillery shells to achieve one hit and reduce ammunition consumption. Fourth, self-contained platforms to improve battlefield survivability and mobility. Therefore, despite the development of new equipment such as precision-guided weapons and drones,